The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S is a stylish midsize cruiser motorcycle designed for riders who want comfort, modern performance, and beginner-friendly handling. Unlike traditional heavy cruisers, the Vulcan S combines sporty DNA with cruiser comfort, making it one of the most unique bikes in its class. It is especially popular among new riders and people who want an everyday cruiser with reliable power. At the heart of the 2026 model is a 649cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, derived from Kawasaki's Ninja 650 platform. This engine produces around 61 horsepower and 62.4 Nm torque, giving smooth acceleration and enough power for both city riding and highway cruising. The engine is tuned for low and mid-range torque, meaning it feels responsive even at lower speeds, which helps beginners feel confident. One of the biggest highlights of the Vulcan S is its ErgoFit system. Kawasaki designed this bike so riders of different heights can adjust the seat, handlebars, and footpeg positions. This makes the bike comfortable for short and tall riders alike. The low 705mm seat height also makes it easy to place both feet on the ground, increasing rider confidence during stops or slow traffic. The chassis is lightweight for a cruiser, with a curb weight of around 229 kg. Because of this, the Vulcan S feels easier to control than many larger cruisers. It uses a sporty frame and suspension setup, so handling is more agile than expected. Riders often describe it as a cruiser that can corner like a sport bike. For braking, the bike comes with ABS and disc brakes front and rear, giving safe stopping power. The front has a 300mm disc, while the rear uses a 250mm disc. This setup is ideal for daily use and highway riding. In terms of design, the 2026 Vulcan S keeps its aggressive low-slung style. It has a long fuel tank, exposed frame, unique headlamp, and muscular stance. Kawasaki also offers new colors such as metallic graphite gray, metallic spark black and metallic flat spark black, giving the bike a premium modern look. The 14-liter fuel tank offers decent range, and fuel economy is around 4.5 L, 100 km, making it practical for commuting and weekend touring. Overall, the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S is perfect for riders who want cruiser comfort without sacrificing performance. It is comfortable, customizable, reliable, and more fun to ride than many traditional cruisers. Whether you are a beginner or experienced rider, the Vulcan S remains one of the best middleweight cruisers available in 2026.